what do you think about having an HVAC contractor actually inspecting an air conditioning versus a home inspector?
If you're in the process of buying a home, that would be a really important thing to focus on. Get a reputable contractor, find out from him what condition is the air conditioning system in, what condition is the ductwork in, because air conditioning is not machines. That's the first 10% of the equation. It's also controls, insulation, how much heat is coming into the structure, which means that much heat will have to be taken out of the interior. So how well sealed are the doors, windows, insulation values, all that. Having somebody give you an idea on the equipment, how well the home is insulated, and the condition of the ductwork. How much is it leaking? How much air conditioning is going into the attic?
Well, that's another part of the system. The ductwork, you have the air handler, the ductwork, and the condenser, basically, right?
Yep.
And you have your control, which is your thermostat.
Correct.
So there's a few other pieces to it than just
and making them all come together and remove the right amount of heat for the condition of the structure is a bit specialized and worthy of having evaluated before you invest.
And with older homes too, they tend to have they're not up to date with codes and insulation, and sometimes they have a higher heat load and what do we say, air leakage through windows or whatnot, different doors and stuff like that.
Yes, and knowing what it is ahead of time, how much it would take to resolve issues that are found by a competent inspector, air conditioning contractor doing the inspecting. That'll go a long way in increasing the quality of life as a homeowner early on.
Yeah, like you said, it's not like a refrigerator. You just plug it in or something. It's not that. Doesn't really work. There's a lot that can go into how it functions and works. It's a lot more complex than most people would think to actually get it installed properly and or running properly after it's had issues. And if you hire the wrong person, they could potentially make things worse because they're inexperienced in what they're doing.
And it takes a lot of money to install the equipment. If it's the wrong size, just a little bit too big, could really ruin quality of life for a long time.